Here's another easy tip to make your travel photos more interesting.
Details. Details are like the glue that holds your story together. And if you think of your travel photography as a story, which I think you should, then the details provide some context. Let's take a look. Like I said in the intro, details are the glue that binds. They can be standalone photos in and of themselves, but they serve best to give you a sense of context of what you're seeing and moving from scene to scene. So with that in mind, take a look at these. So if you're looking at a boulangerie, you just know, okay, that's a boulangerie, but it's nice to be able to see the delicious things that they're making. Or this beautiful shot with two menus in a wonderful cafe. The glass ceiling. A different perspective on the statues. But this is more about the statues, and the statues are just a part of the overall scene. The gorgeous stonework and detail on that ceiling, it definitely requires a bit more. It deserves more attention. The beautiful ironwork on this inset on the door. The street signs, and by themselves, you might not think to shoot them, but they definitely give you a sense of a place when you're talking about, in this instance, Paris, but anywhere in the world you are. The iconic metro signs in Paris in their Art Deco fashion, unlike anywhere else I've seen in the world. Just part of a flea market. So there you go. If you like more tips like this, then please like and subscribe.
And hit the bell icon if you'd like to be informed of updates.
Thanks.